Ever wondered why so many people struggle with money management? Are they secretly keeping their cash under the mattress? In today's video, we are breaking down the basics of personal finance so you can finally stop stressing over those pennies and you can save 100k or any amount you want if you know a little bit about personal finance. We will cover essential concepts like personal finance, budgeting, saving, and investing. Basically, everything you need to go from what is money to look at me, I am financially savvy. What is personal finance? In simple terms, personal finance is all about managing your money, budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for your future. Think of it as your financial GPS guiding you through the confusing traffic of life. Easy, right? Now let's dive deeper and discover why understanding personal finance is like having a superpower but without the cap. Budgeting basics. What is budgeting? Budgeting is like having a personal trainer for your wallet. It helps you manage your income and expense. How to create a budget? Ready for some budget magic? Here's the quick spell. Step 1. Track your income and expense. Step 2. Categorize your expenses such as needs versus wants. Do you really need that fifth coffee this week or is it a want? Step 3. Set spending limits and savings goal. Decide if your new gadget is worth postponing your week getaway. Step 4. Monitor and adjust your budget regularly because life is unpredictable and so are your expenses. Importance of saving. Saving is like giving your future self a high five. It helps you build an emergency fund, plan for major expenses, and achieve your financial goals without having to live on ramen noodles. How to start saving? Create an emergency fund. Suggested amount is around 3 to 6 months of your monthly expense. I would say rather go for at least 6 months. It's like having a financial safety net. And no, you can't use it to buy another gadget. Set saving goals. Short term versus long term goals. Know the difference between both of them. Automate your savings because let's face it, we all forget to save when we are busy binge watching our favorite shows. Introduction to investing. What is investing? Investing is like planting a money tree. You put your money into assets that have the potential to grow and then you wait for your tree to bear fruit. Some of the types of investment are as you can say that from stocks and bonds to real estate and crypto. The investment world is like a buffet. Choose wisely because no one wants to overeat on bad investment. Am I right? Now let's see financial goals and planning. Setting financial goals is like having a roadmap to your dream vacation. Whether it's saving for a house or retiring comfortably, it keeps you on track so you don't end up lost in financial wilderness. Now you'll ask me how to plan? Well, short term versus long term goals. Short term goals are like your daily snacks, while long term goals are the grand feast at the end of the financial journey. Create a financial plan. A solid financial plan is your GPS to get from I wish to I did it. And the last one, common personal finance mistake. Ignoring budget is like skipping the manual for assembling furniture. Not saving for emergencies. It's like driving without insurance. Fun until you hit a bump. Overlooking retirement planning. Thinking retirement is too far away is like skipping your dentist appointment until your teeth start falling out. And unwise investing choices. Investing in get rich quick scheme is like buying lottery tickets and hoping for a miracle. And listen, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more personal finance tips and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos because your future self will thank you and so will your bank account. Let me know in the comments what personal finance topics you want to learn about next or just tell me what would you do with $1,000,000. I am all ears.